Hey, welcome! We've put together another super fun collection for you, so it's great that you're watching the introduction to this brand new collection from the Postbox. This collection is inspired by everything related to sending and receiving mail. Yes, and of course, plenty of stamps. Let's start with an overview of the products. The extensive collection includes postage stamps, 2 sets of cutting dies. We have 2 embossing folders, and 2 stencils, and we have 5 punches. These are the heavy-duty versions. Now let's take a closer look at the products. We have several fun stamps. These are nostalgic clear stamps with Dutch post illustrations like a windmill, a bicycle, and a tulip. With these, you can make, for example, these 2 fun cards featuring a windmill and a charming Dutch scene. Then we have 2 sets of cutting dies. These are also called nesting dies. Then there are these cutting dies with vintage postal motifs, such as a classic carrier pigeon or a 5-cent design, with these cutting dies. So you can make, for example, this fun card. As you can see, the shapes have been cut out here, and we've also used the stencil to add fun colors to the figures. And with this set of cutting dies, you can cut out larger and smaller postage stamp shapes, as you can also see on this card. Then we have this embossing folder with a postcard motif. With it, you can make, for example, this fun card. And you can see that if you go over it with a bit of ink, the embossing effect stands out even more. Then we have this second embossing folder in the collection, which allows you to emboss a postage stamp motif onto cardstock, as you can see here on this card. Or choose from these 2 stencils to create rectangles and postage stamp edges, for example, on light-colored paper using cheerful colors. As shown earlier, you can also use the stencil nicely by placing it over the cutout shapes and aligning it, and then coloring it in with ink for a postage stamp motif. And as you can see, you can easily use the stencil in your A5 journals. With that, you have a grid to easily align, for example, your die-cut stamps using this heavy-duty postage stamp punch in your journal. But of course, this can also be used with other fun shape punches. To complete the collection, we have various punches. Heavy-duty postage stamp punches in 5 different sizes. And with these sturdy punches, you can punch through thicker materials like cardstock up to 500 grams, laminated paper, foam, thin metal, and many more fun materials you can work with. One of the heavy-duty punches even has a small embossing effect. That's this punch, which allows you to cut out a postage stamp shape and create a subtle 3D effect, as if the stamp pops right off the paper. I'll show you. This is the cutout as a shape with embossing. And for comparison, here is one without the embossing effect. Now, I'm curious, who are you going to send your creative mail to? Be sure to let us know in the comments. Are you feeling curious too? All the links to the new products are listed below in the description. Did you enjoy this video? Then don't forget to like and subscribe. And have lots of crafting fun with the new From the Postbox collection. Bye bye!